Nice saw stop. Nobody's gonna complain about that.
Yeah, saw stop. Oh, did y'all see the video the guy did for saw stop where he actually like put his finger into the saw stop blade and stopped it with his finger?
Wow.
Well, let me ask you, if you're going to test that, what finger would you use?
Oh, that's a good question.
Left hand.
Yeah, it's got to be the left hand.
Ring finger?
Pinky.
I might go pinky.
I think the pinky's underrated.
Yeah, the pinky is stability when you're gripping things a lot of time. I might go middle finger.
Middle finger, absolutely. Because if it does get taken off, or if you lose a little bit on the tip, at least you can show people and it's an interesting story.
True. And the middle finger's got length to spare.
I knew a guy that was missing his ring finger on his right side, just from the first knuckle up, like the tip of his finger, that last knuckle on.
I knew a guy who took a rather large section out of 3 of his fingers with a dado blade. Ooh. Yeah.
Wow. Just like straight across?
Straight, basically straight through.
Wow. I'm surprised they didn't pull him in a little more.
Well, they did. Well, he got it on one finger and
and then it pulled the rest of them across.
Yeah.
I think I'd lose my ring finger. It'd definitely be on the left.
Yeah. Well, assuming, you're right-handed, right?
Right.
Non-dominant hand, we should say, probably.
And I Googled it, which finger is the least important. And it says that most people think the pinky is the least important as it contributes the least to grip strength and is less used. However, study shows the pinky's contribution to overall grip strength is actually significant.
Yeah, okay.
I guess it's like your big toe. It gives you a little support or stability.
Yeah. Now, which toe would you put into the blade if you had to choose?